Look at the screen, everyone. I'm going to share the screen. See this. Page number 29. Sorry, 20. Page number 20. Write date and CW on the top of the page here. Near the fifth bit. Near the fifth bit, write date and CW. And you see, children, read the sentence. I want Abhignesh. Abhignesh.
Ma'am,
Read the first sentence, Abhignesh.
can you add these two numbers?
So which one is correct here? AD add or ADD add?
ADD add.
Very good. Tick that and write it in the blank. Course book page number 20. Sanvi. Sanvi. She's not there in the class. See? Vignesh Chandra.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Vignesh, read the second sentence.
Discuss the answers dash. Discuss the
answer dash. Aloud. Which is the correct word suitable here?
Aloud.
Which one? First one or second one? Spelling, Yuri. You spell the word.
First one, ma'am.
Yes. ALOUD. Aloud meaning loudly. Allowed means giving permission. So, loudly is the correct word which is suitable for the sentence. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Nehal. Nehal Verma. Read the third sentence.
1 minute, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I am getting dash sitting alone in the house. Bored.
I am getting dash sitting alone in the house. So which board is the correct one? Spell the correct word.
Bored.
Spell the correct word.
BOARD. BORED.
Yes. BORED is the correct one. Rohin.
Ma'am.
Read the next one.
The movie is blank in our state.
Yes,
banned.
Yes.
Ma'am, second one is correct.
Yes, correct. Tell me the spelling.
BANNED, banned.
Children, whatever I'm writing on the screen, are you able to see that?
No, ma'am.
You cannot see?
It's a shrug.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Banned.
Next one. I want Yashasvi to read.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Which dash do you want in the train? Berth. Ma'am, first one.
What is that meaning? Do you know?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me. Yes. Tell me, beta. Birth means bed, bed in the train. And birth means our, when we born, no? That
Yeah.
birthday we celebrate, no? That is birth. So which is the correct one now? Tell me.
Birth.
Birth. Birth. Birth. Both the pronunciations are same, but the spelling and the meanings are all different. So what are all these? Are these homographs or homophones, children? Can you tell me? Unmute and tell me.
Homophones. Homophones.
Homophones. Yes. Yes. Only the yes. Only the pronunciation is same, but the spelling and the meaning is different. So it is homophone. All these words are homophones. Good. Done, children? You'll get these type of questions in your GA also. Okay, fine. So now open your Getting Granny's Glasses book. Page number 23, chapter 4. Chapter 4. Ready? Yes. Page number 23. Akshat Rishi, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, my Getting Granny's book is wet, ma'am. It filled in water.
So how can I help you now? Tell me, Akshat.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It is already yesterday. See, ma'am, it is like this.
No problem. You can see and you can read it, no?
Yeah, ma'am. I can
Okay.
see.
Okay, then fine. Yes. Now everyone see. Page number 23. Shanmukha Priya, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
The metro road followed the
Water road. Okay, just
motorway.
listen once. I'll give a model reading. Everyone listen first carefully, children. Finger point reading is must. Suddenly I'll ask you where I was reading and which sentence I was reading. You have to tell me. And the children, those who turned off their camera, you can leave the class, please. You can leave the class. Or shall I put you in the waiting room? Still few children. And Sanvi, when I was calling you, where you were? Where were you?
Ma'am,
Where were you when I called?
ma'am, I was here only.
No, you are not there in the class. Danish, Ronak, Advait, turn on your camera. Settle down, Sanvi, fast. Take out your Getting Granny's glasses. Come on. The motor road followed the course of the river, which thundered 100 feet below. The bus was old and rickety and rattled so much that the passengers could barely hear themselves speaking. One of them was pointing to a spot below where another bus had gone off the road a few weeks back. See, the motor road. What's the meaning of motor road here? A road where like the vehicles can run smoothly. Okay, motor road. You can see here in the picture also how are the roads. They are crossing the hills, right? Yes. So they followed the course of the river, which thundered 100 feet below. The bus was old and rickety. It was very old and rickety. We can hear the sounds of the bus. Tick, 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 tick. It's a very old. Very old. Okay, and rattled. Completely spoiled. Rattled. Okay. And next, see, because of these sounds, they're very slow. It is moving very slow so that the people are able to hear their voices clearly. They can hear their voices clearly. Whatever they are speaking, they can hear. And one of them from the bus, one of them was pointing out at the bus, okay, which had started a few weeks back, but still the bus was there. It couldn't cross that way. Why? What is the reason? Yes, what was the reason that the bus was still there? Can anyone guess? Any guess?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think a road is small, ma'am. That's why the bus has stopped there only. Or else the bus is not starting.
Okay. Arham?
Maybe something like disaster came and it stopped.
Okay, good. Let's see any other guess. Yes, Shanmukha Priya?
I think it is the road is total small, so the bus stopped.
Okay. Yes, Kavish? Yes,
Ma'am,
just
I think it's a landslide.
okay. I think it's a landslide.
Ma'am,
Huh?
the bus was total spoiled, ma'am.
Okay, that's the reason. Okay, we'll see. Any other? Huh? Yes, Ananya?
Ma'am, I also thought for a landslide, but Kavish said.
Landslide. Okay, it's okay. Landslide. Srikha?
Ma'am, the bus was little.
Rattled.
The bus rattled and spoiled.
Spoiled.
Okay, rattled and spoiled. Okay, no, I'm talking about the other bus. Why the bus is still there? Even though it started, it started a week, yes, back. A few weeks back it started and the bus was still there.
Ma'am,
Why? What is the reason?
Ma'am, hills.
Huh?
The diesel or petrol is over. Hills, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Danesh.
Ma'am, maybe it.
Maybe. Yes, Danish.
Ma'am,
Ah.
in that area is not there, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Tire. Huh? David.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Can you guess? What was the reason? Ayan, your turn is done. Yes.
Okay. The bus cannot cross.
Bus cannot.
Cross because there's a gap.
There's a gap. Okay, let's see. Yes. So we'll see how many of you are correct. Let's continue. What was the reason behind it? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, fine. Next one. Take the next page. The bus was started a few weeks ago, even though the bus couldn't move further. What was the reason behind it? Let's see. The driver appeared to be unaware of the accident. He drove at some speed, and whenever he went round a bend, everyone in the bus was thrown about and luggage skipped about on the floor. In spite of all the noises and confusions, Granny fell asleep, her head resting against Mani's shoulder. There was a landslide, yes, and they met with a small accident. See here, even though here the driver was also unaware of the road, in the bus in which the Granny and Mani were traveling, the bus driver was unaware. He doesn't know the accident, the way which he's going, which he's following. Okay, and he was taking a sudden round, and what happens, do you know? The people were about to fall. The people were about to fall, and the luggage is also falling down. And a part of all this disturbance, no, Granny is sleeping very nicely. Yes, on the Mani's shoulder. She doesn't know what is happening in the bus. Good, no? She doesn't know the disturbance, whatever the people are shouting, talking. She's not at all caring. She doesn't know anything. She's just sleeping against the Mani's shoulder. She's sleeping. Okay? Suddenly, the bus came to a grinding halt. People were thrown forward in their seats. David, I want you to continue.
Everyone tumbled out of the bus. Granny and Money were the last to get down. They could see it would take days to clear the road, and most of the passengers decided to return to Nain with the bus. But few bold. What is this?
Retrieved? What happened? Read it again. Granny's glasses fell off and had. There is some disturbance, David. Some voice disturbance is there. I want Shrestha to continue. Granny's glasses fell off.
Fell off and had to be retrieved
Retrieved.
from the
Huh?
retrieved from the
Hmm.
folds
Folds
of someone else umbrella.
Okay, good. Good, children. So suddenly the bus came to a grinding halt. People were thrown forward in their seats. What is the meaning of grinding halt? Underline it. Underline it. What is the meaning of that? To stop working or moving forward. Yes? Suddenly, the bus stopped. It was unable to move, and there was a sudden break. Okay? Sudden break. So what happened? People were thrown forward in their seats. Granny's glasses fell off and had to be retrieved from the folds of someone else's umbrella. She has to collect it. and she has to take the force of someone else's umbrella. What happening? She asked. Now suddenly she woke up from the sleep because of the dream. Sorry, because of that sudden break. Yeah, her sleep disturbed and she woke up and she's asking, what's happening? Have we arrived? Oh, she's thinking that they are in Masuri. Then she's asking, have we arrived? No, something is blocking the road, said Mani. Then Mani said, no, something is blocking. Blocking meaning? Yes, blocking meaning?
A crack of the road.
Yeah, something stopped. Yes,
That occupies.
yes.
Road.
Something occupied the road. Due to that, we cannot move forward, right? Yes. So block the road. It's a landslide, exclaimed someone. So who said the landslide? You are right. And the other guesses also very good. Number of guesses, number of problems you shared. That's very nice. Okay, so it's a landslide. Do you know what is a landslide? What's a landslide? When we are going, if the road is on the hillside, no, the roads on the hillside, it is cutted up to some extent. It cut. Yeah, it breaks up to some extent. And the road completely spoils. There were few cuts. You want to see the picture of landslide? Yes, I'll show you the picture of landslide. Here are few pictures. You can see. See, these are all called landslides. You can see these children. See the hill area and the road, this one. Can you see this? Yes? See this and how the road, the hill and the land spoiled here and blocked the road. Can you see the road blocked here? Yes? You can see here. This image you can see the road was completely blocked and the small rocks covered the road. This is called a landslide. Due to this reason, the bus which has started a few weeks ago was also unable to move forward. And now the Granny's and Mani's bus also is unable to move forward. Did you understand what is landslide now? Everyone? Yes, good. So now, it's a landslide, exclaimed someone. And all the passengers put their hands out of the window to take a look. Everyone were looking out of the window to see the landslide. It was a big landslide. Sometime in the night during the heavy rain, earth and trees and bushes had given way and come crashing down, completely blocking the road. Sometimes heavy rain, what happens? The trees also destroys and it blocks the roads. It fall on the road and blocks the road. Okay. And completely block the road, nor was it over yet. Debris, like debris means rocks, was still falling. Mani saw rocks hurtling down the hill and into the river. Mani saw the small rocks still falling from the hill and falling into the river and on the roof of the bus even. It's so dangerous, right, children? Yes? Yeah, Mani saw everything. Not a suitable place for a bus stop. Is it a suitable place for the bus to stop there? No. Okay. Observed Granny, although she couldn't see a thing. Even as she spoke, a shower of stones and small rocks came clattering down on the roof of the bus. See, even few rocks. It's like a small shower of the rocks. Do you know shower? You'll have a shower bath, no? How the water comes? Yes. So in that same way, the rocks are coming, a shower of rocks. Mani can see. Even Granny also observed it. The passengers cried out in alarm. Passengers were shouting. They were screaming. Oh, rocks. See the small rocks. They are clattering down on the roof of the bus. Oh my God, help. Like that they were screaming. The driver began reversing the bus. More rocks came crashing down. Even he cannot move back also, because backside also the road was blocked now. Even he cannot reverse the bus. Yes? I never did trust motor road, said Granny. Now Granny was telling that's the reason. I never trust these motor roads. I never believe this. So I trust only my legs. I can walk as much as I can, but I never trust these motor roads. Who said this? Granny. Granny was saying by herself. Okay, children. So now this is the story. This is the journey and the troubles they faced. Children, I want to ask you, if you are in the place of Money and Granny and you are traveling in the bus, you are traveling in the bus and the road blocked by rocks or some trees. So what will you do? What will you do? If you are in the place of Granny and Money, what will you do? Yes, Shrestha?
Ma'am, I will be calm, and for night time I will be silent. All rocks stop means that time I will go and remove them.
Okay. Good. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I will remove the rocks when the rocks were not coming down the hill.
Okay. You will clear the road, then you will make a way for the bus to move. Good. Yes, Rika?
Ma'am, I'll get out of the bus.
You'll get out of the bus so that the rocks fall on your head. Huh? Srikhar, what sort of solution is that? See, he's hiding. Okay. Yes, Rohin.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if the road crack, every passenger shouts, so the road he will make neat road. Now, if passenger shouts, we should. If the land crack comes, every passenger shouts. If who are in disturb, I also shouts also, ma'am. When I get a land crack,
And you want to help the driver, right?
like granny, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, Nehal.
Ma'am, I will call Iron Man, ma'am.
You will call?
Iron Man.
I didn't get you. What you'll call?
I will call superheroes, ma'am.
Superheroes. Oh my God. Then I am only the superhero. I will come. You call me. Yes. Yes, Ananya Bhushan. And still, who is that? Yashasvi is ready. Shanmukha Priya is ready. Huh. Yes. What you
When
will
the
do?
rocks will stop falling down, I will just slide down the landslide.
And where you will go? Down in the river? We have rivers there. You will swim. You'll swim. Huh? Yashasvi?
Ma'am, I will be silent. Why? Because my mother will beat if I'm not silent.
Okay. Yes, Arham?
In one way, if there is a landslide, I will take another way.
Another way, but how will you come out of the bus? As the rocks are hitting the roof. Yeah?
I will tell the driver to reverse the bus.
But he is unable, no. He couldn't do that. But because even the back of the bus also the road blocked. And he cannot reverse the bus. So you can do only one thing. You can fly off.
Oh.
Oh. Shanmukha Priya.
Ma'am, when in bus all in sleep, then I go out and remove the rock.
Very good. So children, very good children. Akshat, yes.
Ma'am, I will get down bus, and when the rocks stopped, I will remove the rocks and I.
Okay. Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am, what I'll do now, ma'am? I'll take reverse. No, if I will tell to dad, take from there only front, and I should that the bus should jump, ma'am.
Ah, bird should jump. See, bird should jump, it seems. Okay, Azan.
Ma'am, when the rocks fall, we have to remove the rocks or bus will not go.
Yes. It takes, already we have read that it takes some weeks to clear the road. It is completely blocked. Children, what we have done now, you understood that this is a problem solving activity we have done. What is this you do? Problem solving activity. So problem, there is a problem and we have lots of solutions with us. So children, whenever you get a problem, instead of becoming a panic, don't be so panic when you get a problem. Try to solve the problem. Understood? We have to solve our problems. Being panic, shouting, screaming, that never gives a solution for the problem. Now see how many solutions you have given them. Okay, of course, some are funny. We enjoyed the solutions, but some solutions are also acceptable. You have to wait, yes, so that the rocks, if the rocks are hurtling the rocks, if it stops, then you can slowly come out, help the driver clean the road, and you can go. If you shout, scream, and if you disturb everyone, see, it's not a solution for the problem. Good children, this is a problem solving activity. We had a problem, so we had a number of solutions with us. In such a way, whenever you get a problem, you are unable to read properly, find the solution for that. You are unable to write clearly, find the solution for